Would you suggest getting an SAP certification for S/4HANA, or is it best to learn on the job?
Depends on what your background is. If you have a background in IT and you are already working in a company which has SAP, but you're not doing the SAP work, go and intern yourself or work for free with them or work with them, learn from them. That's working on a job is very easy. Or the question is, if you get hired into a role and they're willing to train you on HANA or SAP S/4HANA, great, fantastic. Learning on a job is always great. You've got learning.sap.com. You spend a couple of weeks, you get the basics done, and then you learn the rest on the job. Always learning on a job is great if you get an opportunity. But if you do not have an opportunity to get a job where people will allow you to learn on the job, then what do you do? That becomes the question.
And also, if you're working for a consulting firm, I believe it's by the end of the year, everybody has to be certified in one particular topic or something.
That's a SAP wish, right? They can wish what they want. But for me, I mean, there's nothing like 100% certified ever, because you're never going to have that. There's lots of people who get certified, and there are lots of people who are extremely good who are not certified because they find certification a chore, or something that really doesn't help them do it. For myself, I did a ABAP certification way back in '99. I still do ABAP today, right? And I'm even if I don't upgrade or get a new certification in ABAP, I know ABAP, right? I don't need to certify in ABAP. So I can go certify in enterprise architecture or something interesting today, or generative AI, stuff like that. But what I'm saying is getting a certification is good and it's important. But the question here was, do I get certified first, or do I learn on the job? I would say learning on a job will definitely help you. Certification will anyway come organically. When you're learning on a job, you will then at one point in time get certified anyway. The certification is either before or after, doesn't matter. You'll get certified. The question is learning on a job. If you get an opportunity, by all means, that should be your first choice.